Hello friends, so welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to discuss about a very important feature of Windows 11 and I hope you will enjoy that feature. So let's start the video. So I'm going to discuss about voice typing feature of Windows 11 which is uh, online speech recognition base and which is powered by Azure speech services. So Azure is a cloud which is by Microsoft. So uh, now come to know how to start this feature. So it's very simple. Window logo key plus H to start this service, and you can also add your language in this setting is shown here. Start setting time and language and reason. There you can choose preferred language and then you can add language. Then next, and after next you will get install that particular language in your system. So now come to know supported language for voice typing in Windows 11. So these are the language that is supported Windows 11 for voice typing: Hindi, English, French, German, Tamil, Telugu. Everything is here. Okay, so now I'll show you how we can use this tool, this feature. So I'll press Window plus H. So testing for my typing, and now you can see I I said so testing for my typing, and you can also note that accuracy of any word. Yes, it is correctly shown everything in this in this notepad screen. So I hope you can see about this feature that is very useful for us. So okay, now stop listening. Perfect. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have any query, so please comment. And if you like my video and if you have any suggestion for me, then please comment. I will definitely